What's up, everybody? Today I have an announcement. I got one more subscriber that I need to subscribe and to my EAS community. And I want to make sure I make a few announcements. Thanks to all of you who have subscribed me. That is the kindness of my heart right now. So, without any further ado, please stand as we play our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming.